दोस्तों ये वीडियो देख के आप अपने एग्ज़ाम में ज़्यादा नंबर हासिल कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि पिछले क्वेश्चन पेपर के हम ये क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि इससे आपको अंदाज़ा आएगा कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चन आने वाले एग्ज़ाम में आ सकते हैं और हम किस तरह की पढ़ाई करेंगे। ये पोस्ट थी फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट ऑफिसर, जिसका टाइम था 9 AM से लेकर 12 PM की वजह 3 घंटे का पेपर था। पिछले 2 पार्ट में हम 32 क्वेश्चन देख चुके हैं। हम आगे इससे अगले पार्ट में हम उसके आगे के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। दोस्तों अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन बटन को जरूर दबाएं, जिससे कि होगा ये आने वाली जो भी हम वीडियो डालेंगे उसकी आपको नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत मिल जाएगी। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। दोस्तों इन क्वेश्चन की आप प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हैं, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी, जिस पे जाके आप इन क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस बहुत आसानी से कर सकते हैं और आप अपने एग्ज़ाम में ज़्यादा नंबर हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं, 30th क्वेश्चन है। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट। तो इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट पहले देख लेते हैं। ए मेंबर हैज एन इनसुरेबल इंटरेस्ट इन द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द कंपनी। ये इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है। और करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या है? कंपनी कैन एक्ट थ्रू ह्यूमन एजेंसी ओनली। चेंज इन मेंबर्स डज नॉट अफेक्ट एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ कंपनी। थर्ड करेक्ट पॉइंट है, कंपनी कैन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, sue and be sued in its own name. 39th question, which statement is incorrect? सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है, जो कि है देयर शैल बी अ मिनिमम पीरियड ऑफ 6 months between the date of grant of option and the date of vesting of the option. करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? एम्प्लॉय स्टॉक ऑप्शन प्लान कैन बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय डायरेक्ट रूट और ट्रस्ट रूट। थर्ड पॉइंट है जो कि करेक्ट है, देयर आर 2 मेथड ऑफ अकाउंटिंग फॉर एम्प्लॉय शेयर बेस्ड पेमेंट, दैट इज intrinsic value method और fair value method। चौथा जो करेक्ट पॉइंट है, ESOPs granted to director become part of managerial remuneration। 40वां क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर incurred for regeneration of petrochemical plant with respect to above, which of the following is not the opinion of expert advisory committee of ICAI? So not a opinion, तो ये पहला ऑप्शन इसमें से not opinion है, जो कि however if there are any expenditure on regular repair and maintenance the same should be capitalized। बाकी तीनों ओपिनियन हो सकती है एक्सपर्ट एडवाइजरी। तो जो पहला हम पॉइंट देख रहे हैं वो है, फर्दर एट द सेम टाइम द कैरिंग अमाउंट ऑफ दोस असेट दैट आर रिप्लेस्ड शुड बी de-recognized as per the de-recognized provision para 67 and 68 of Indian Accounting Standard 16। All major subsequent expenditure incurred, including cost of replacing various assets of the caprolactam plant should be capitalized. Any fuel and power consumed for checking the serviceability of existing plant and equipment should not be capitalized, as this expenditure is not required for bringing the plant to an operating condition. Now moving to the next question, that is 41st question. Security assessment under section 143(3) should be completed within 12 months from the end of the relevant assessment year. Moving to the next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? So third statement is incorrect, that is cost accounts are concerned with external transaction, that is transaction between business concerned and the third party. First option is correct. Cost control is the process of regulating the action so as to keep the element of cost within the set parameters. Analysis of the cost is the process of locating the factor responsible for a difference in actual cost from the budgeted cost and fixing of responsibility for a difference in cost. The main objective of cost accounting is to find out the cost of product, services rendered with a reasonable degree of accuracy. Moving to the next question. As per the provision of Section 11C of the Security and Exchange Board of India Act 1992 relating to investigation, the investigating authority may keep in its custody any book, register, other document and record produced for 6 months and thereafter shall return the same. So how much period? It is 6 months. Next question, that is 44th question. With respect to the guidance note on accounting for oil and gas producing activity issued by ICAI, appraisal well is a well drill as a part of an appraisal drilling program which is carried out to determine the physical extent of oil and gas reserves and likely production rate of a field. 45th question. Which of the following is not a valid characteristic of a negotiable instrument? So fourth option is a incorrect option, that is holder's title is not free from defects. So first three are the valid characteristics. That is, it is necessarily in writing, it should be signed, it is free transferable from one person to another. Now the 46th question. A firm can enter foreign market through indirect export, direct export, licensing, contract manufacturing, joint venture, direct investment. So all first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth are the right answer. A firm can enter from any one of the 6 point enter into the foreign market through any of the 6 point. Now 47th question. Which of the following are the area of corporate tax planning? First, form of organization, ownership pattern. Second, locational aspects. Third, nature of business. Fourth, tax planning in respect of corporate restructuring. Fifth, tax planning in respect of financial management. Sixth, tax planning in respect of employees remuneration. So all first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth all are the areas of corporate tax planning. Moving to 40th question. So this is the 40th question. Which of the following is not the characteristic of budget? So second is not the characteristic of budget. A budget is concerned for a definite past period. Definite past period, it is not the characteristic of budget. A budget and the characteristics are: a budget is a written document. Budget helps in planning, coordination and control. Budget is detailed plan of all the economic activity of a business. So now the 49th question. With respect to the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972, the gratuity is payable to an employee after he has rendered continuous service for not less than 5 years. So is it? First option is the correct option. 50th question. The Company Act 2030 was enacted to consolidate to consolidate amend the law relating to the companies. The Companies Act 2012 was preceded by the Company Act 1956. Now the 51st question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So first statement is incorrect. As per section 222 of the Custom Act, the term goods exclude currency and negotiable instrument. This statement is incorrect. All other three statements are correct statement. That are: second point, as per section 222 of the Custom Act, the term goods include baggage. Third point, as per section 222 of Custom Act, the term goods include vessel, aircraft, and vehicle. As per section 222 of the custom, the term goods include store. Now moving to the 52th question. The question is, with respect to the cost accounting standard on treatment of revenue in cost statement CAS 24, which of the following statement is incorrect? So first statement is incorrect, that is, product with a relatively low value produced incidentally in the manufacturing of the product or services are regarded as intermediate products. The second point, third point and fourth point are correct statement. That is, the standard shall be applied to cost statements which requires classification, measurement, treatment, assignment, presentation and disclosure of revenue, including those requiring attestation. Third point, the standards deals with the principle and method of classification, measurement, treatment and assignment of revenue and its presentation and disclosure of cost statement. The fourth point, the objective of this standard is to bring uniformity and consistency in the principle and method for treatment of revenue in cost statement with reasonable accuracy. Now 53rd question. With respect to Indian Accounting Standard 106, exploration for and evaluation of mineral resources, which of the following are example of expenditure that might be included in the initial measurement of exploration and evaluation of asset? First, acquisition of rights to explore, topographical, geological, geochemical and geophysics studies, exploratory drilling, fetching, sampling. So all first, second, third, fourth and fifth are the correct answer. Moving to the next question. According to the section 3rd of Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010, which of the following statement is incorrect? It is 54th question, and the second point is incorrect. Foreign contribution can be accepted by a candidate for election. This is an incorrect statement. Other statements are correct, that are, no foreign contribution shall be accepted by political party, no foreign contribution shall be accepted by a printer or publisher of a registered newspaper, no foreign contribution shall be accepted by a public servant. Now 55th question. Which of the following statement is correct? So second statement is correct. Quanquant rule is related to doctrine of indoor management. 56th question. Entry 83 of the Union List of the 7th Schedule of the Constitution of India is empowered to levy the custom duty by the central government of India. 57th question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So fourth statement is actually incorrect statement. If the angle of incidence is lower, the rate of growth of profit is higher, and if the angle is larger, the rate of growth of profit is lower. So it is actually they are saying opposite thing. First, second, third statement is correct. That is, break-even point is the volume of production or sale where total costs are equal to revenue. Second point, angle of incidence is angle formed at the inspection point of total sales line and the total cost line in the formal break-even chart. Third point, PV ratio and variable cost ratio are said to be complement of each other.